on, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to more of that North Wales adventure. Here it is, look, over there, over the shoulder. Who knows this? So this is Poin Of Ayr Lighthouse, probably not pronouncing that right, which is at Talacre, something like that in North Wales. I should be ashamed to say I'm Welsh, shouldn't I, if I can't pronounce the stuff, but you know, down in South Wales we pretty much just speak English, to be fair. There's not a lot of Welsh speaking down there unless, you know, go to a special Welsh school. Then aside from that, don't really speak it. But check this out. So first came here 4 or 5 years ago. This is the only time I've ever been here, but the tide is actually in around it, which is pretty awesome. Normally you can stand on the steps for photos. The plan is just going to fly the drone around it, have a little nosy, and yeah, just take it all in. This bloody beach is breathtaking. I love it. Tell you what, it looks warm on here. It ain't warm though, it is pretty damn cold. So enjoy the drone footage, stick with me as well. Do you know why? I haven't done drone stuff in so long, so I'm literally just getting back used to it. So it was a bit jumpy, do apologise, but here we are, enjoy it.